Okay, so we figured out why the bobbin wasn't staying in. When you put the bobbin in the machine there, it has to click into place. If it does not click into place, it'll fall out when you try turning this knob to get the thread to go through. So everything that we showed up until this point, you're just going to do the same exact thing. Just make sure that that bobbin down here actually clicks into place.
And then you pull up and you get the bobbin thread. See the bobbin thread here?
Okay, so you're gonna pull up and then you're gonna get the bobbin thread, which is the one from the bottom.
Yep. Okay.
So you're gonna pull that up from the base of the bobbin thread. You're gonna pull up from the base and then out. So you have the two threads.
Well, you use the one from the needle to pull it up and out.
Okay, so you use the thread from the needle to pull the bobbin thread up and out.
Move your threads to the back.
Okay, threads are moved to the back.
Can you move? I don't think she will probably need to take this off. Hey, Jeff. This goes back on, clips into place. Give me that black fabric.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we have some test fabric here.
If you use pins, don't sew over the pin. Go slowly and take the pin out before you get there. A regular seam allowance is 5/8 inch, which is this line here. This is 7/8 and it says, so this line is 5/8. Put the presser foot down. There's a lever in the back.
Hold on just a second. I'm going to show this lever in the back over here. Okay, lever. You're going to click it down.
The foot pedal is here.
Okay, foot pedal down there.
Okay. I always turn the dial to get the needle down in there.
Okay, so turn the dial until the needle's in the fabric to start.
Put your foot on the...
Okay, got the foot on the pedal.
And if you want to back up to lock the thread, there's this lever here. Push down on it. And it backs up. Let go, and you sew right over it.
So that stops it from becoming undone. Like, so that stop prevents the thread from undoing itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back up. Take the needle out of the fabric.
Okay, so just to clarify here, when you first start, you're gonna go forward just a tiny bit, and then you're gonna press this lever down. Do you hold it down?
While you...
Yeah, so you hold this lever down while you back up a little bit, and then you can release it, and then it'll sew forward again. And then when you get to the end of your seam and you want to end it, you're going to press the lever down again to back up a little bit, and then release to go forward, and then that locks the thread and that locks the ends into place.
Okay, if you get the flashlight. Right here is where it's gone back and over. Now this is a basting stitch. If you want it to be tighter, there's this dial here, and it's set at a 6 on the top, and the red dot.
So that controls the length of the notches?
The stitch.
Of the stitch. Okay, so length of the stitch. So a higher number is a longer stitch or a shorter?
Shorter.
Stitch? So a higher number is a shorter stitch. Okay, so let's get this again. So she's starting another line. She just turned the dial to lower the needle into the thing.
Okay, can you see how this stitch is shorter than this one?
Yes, so the bottom stitch is shorter than the top stitch.
The top one is at 6 and this one's at 8.
Okay.
Okay?
Did you lock that one into place, the bottom stitch?
No,
Okay.
But if you don't want to back up and go forward again, you can always take the 2 threads and tie a knot. You can, this is the front, that's the back one, and you can tie a knot.
Okay, and then that just locks it.
Yeah. So, I can't put it away in the carrying case with this thread on the top. The bobbin shouldn't be a problem unless they're doing more than the bobbin has thread on it. So it should be okay.
So they're going to be sewing 1,000 masks a week. A 1,000 masks a week, which is a lot of masks.
Yeah. Okay. Threading the bobbin.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and then we'll start another one on how to thread the bobbin.